Hello everyone, I hope to find you all in good spirits. Sit back, relax and enjoy the show. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Here's your host, Dee.
Guess who's in my backyard? That's a rabbit, y'all. I need to turn my TV down, but I'm scared they're going to take off before I can finish recording. Hang on. Yep, he's still there. Or she. Hey. Yeah, I'm coming out. How'd you get in here? And I can't go out there because I don't have my shoes on. And I know he's still in my backyard. Okay. I'm gonna have to hurry up and do something. I did not think I would find a rabbit in my backyard. And he's still out here. Yep, still out here. Mr. Bunny, leave. Leave, sir. Or ma'am. Or whoever you are. Get out of my backyard. Get out of the garden. Same way you came in. Go out so I can see where it is. You just gonna sit there and look at me. Huh? So we just gonna have a staring contest? You're cute, but you got to go. Okay, I'm gonna come around the other way. My socks are just gonna have to get wet. Okay, I saw that you moved, but where did you move to? Ouch. Oh, so that's how you got in and out. Right over here. So I'm gonna have to do something about that.
Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.